Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Hi, is this Lucas?
Yeah, I am.
Lucas, I
yes.
see you're working on my car right now.
Oh, okay, yes.
It's my Ford Puma?
Yes, Have you do? I didn't know this is your vehicle, so yeah, thanks for
Okay,
coming.
yeah, I believe I talked to you on the phone.
We also spoke on the phone,
that's you.
As we said on the phone, the first thing would be to replace the spark plugs.
Okay.
And then after that to look at the remaining components. So job is in progress, as you can see.
Yeah.
I know you've mentioned on the phone that the vehicle is juddering every now and then. But there's no other major symptoms. There's nothing like engine management light comes on every now and then whenever it wants.
I see.
When you start the vehicle in the morning, do you have any lights on, any juddering? No, you haven't mentioned that.
No, I don't think it came up, but it feels it doesn't feel smooth at all.
I see.
So I'm not too sure what the problem is. So that's why I just figured, why not have a look at it?
Yeah.
See, and I was
as you know, this is a 3-cylinder engine, and those are the spark plugs. So on the 2021, for the mileage that you cover, these spark plugs, they don't look very okay. So have a look at the.
Yeah.
You can see the end on there.
Okay, I see.
And then that's the number 2, and that is the number 1.
All right.
But I'm happy to do a test on the spark plugs to see if they're actually functioning okay. We've got new spark plugs here, which we're gonna fit.
All right.
And there's also the sensor, which we also believe that there's an intermittent issue with that sensor.
So that's possibly why it's not running smoothly, right?
Yes, but looking at this vehicle with this symptom, more than likely that the spark plugs, they need replacing.
Okay.
And once the spark plugs are replaced, then we could do a test, and later on, if it's needed, then we will replace the oxygen sensor. I know you're doing short journeys, so this vehicle, it has a catalytic converter. It is recommended to do a catalytic converter desulfurization, just to eliminate any soot that is built up into the exhaust. And
I see.
Normally that's built up because of the local routine, standard local drive.
Okay.
Okay, but as you can see, we're working on it. As soon as it's done, give you an update. And
okay.
Yeah.
I see you're a busy man as well. A lot of cars about.
Yeah. We've got some other problems on here. We've got this Polo where customer has mentioned that losing power.
Yeah.
And engine light comes on. So we found a split pipe on here. You can see.
Yeah.
This split pipe is as an effect of oil and carbon deposits. That oil is been going on for quite some time.
It looks very old, yes.
Yeah. Normally this problem is caused by incorrect service, and I'll tell you a little bit very quickly like why. So if you don't do oil filter and also engine internal flush, you're risking on mechanical components to run pretty much under a high risk. So best example is if you've got let's say 2 camshafts there.
Yeah.
If you've got good oil inside, think of the oil being like a molecule, as in small balloons.
Okay.
Now, you've got inside the oil, you've got different balloon size.
Yeah.
So if the oil is like old, and minerals are low, and viscosity is also low, then the bubbles, the balloons are smaller. Okay. So when the friction between those 2 metal components happens, that balloon passes through them. So if the balloon is small, means that the friction is there. We've got different balloon size. Yeah. So if the oil is like old, and minerals are low, and viscosity is also low, then the bubbles, the balloons are smaller. Okay. So when the friction between those 2 metal components happens, that balloon passes through them. So if the balloon is small, means that the friction is there, more. If the balloon is bigger, the friction between those 2 components is not as high as the opposite. So here, oil filter, engine flush has not been done. This vehicle has been neglected for quite some time. And then this membrane here on the top is now stuck. when the engine operates, pushes up the piston, pushes down the piston. When it pushes up, creates pressure. When it goes down, it also brings up pressure.
Yeah.
When it goes up, the vapors, this is the reason why you have this membrane. So the vapors are coming through this little tube here, back into the inlet side, so you can create a good environment for the fuel to be burned efficiently. If you look at this, there's lots of oil there, lots of oil, yeah? Unfortunately, the membrane is at the moment is blocked. So when the vapors are coming, the vapors are also passing oil inside. So that oil goes through the entire system, and of course has reached this pipe internally.
Yeah.
Oil in the rubber, we know it expands because it's got Petronas inside. Expands, and it fails. So yeah, this customer wants to fix only this problem.
Yeah.
But you can see, I mean, it's a 2014 vehicle. It's a 1.4 diesel. They're very good engines.
Yeah.
So there's a few more components to be done here. But we can only recommend and see what the customer wants.
Exactly.
And I call this one. With this BMW, this 6 Series, yeah?
Yeah.
We've got some electrical problems on this. This car came from another garage. We actually discovered that in the junction box, there's a fuse here where it keeps blowing. We located the plug. We're in the process of doing some tests. We also found the cast unit to be faulty on there. So I think cast unit replacing and programming on this is not easy. It can be done, but it's not easy.
Yeah.
So that's what we have for today. So I guess first is to finish your vehicle.
That's true. That'll be very.
Hopefully things are going nice and smooth.
Okay.
We're not going to have any problems. And yeah,
that's about it. All right. Thank you very much. I'll be waiting for your call.
Okay. No problems. We'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Meantime, put some music and rock and roll.
I will do. All right. Thank you. Take care, Mark.